Dan NLP, the producer.
Gmail has finally received the much awaited and anticipated makeover. Just like the earlier update to official Google app and Android P, this design has rounded edges everywhere. It looks somewhat satisfyingly uniform. Also, the attachments are visible on the home page and can be previewed or downloaded without actually going inside the email. Email or Gmail has finally started indulging people into their own ecosystem. And this has been achieved by Google by introducing Google Keep, Google Task, and Google Calendar into the Gmail website. And people using that on their smartphones or other devices can view it directly. So that's a good thing. There is also some add-ons that you can add on to this section. That is not a huge thing, but in future that might be a big thing. The new design also does take up more space and you cannot easily view more emails. But what you can do is switch to comfortable or compact mode that brings the classic pin to the end of email on the home page. Plus, there is also a confidential mode for emails from confidential sources, just like your boss. Yeah, but how do we get it? So the default, it is not rolling out to everyone. You need to manually enable it from the settings page on your classic Gmail, and from there just click on the try new Gmail button and bam, you are in your new Gmail makeover. Lastly, if you don't like this revert, you can actually go back to the classic Gmail from the settings, just like you did for coming back. So that was probably it for this video. This is Tarun Srivastava from Eccentric Tech, and I keep bringing you awesome stuff. So please go ahead, subscribe to this channel. So this is Tarun Srivastava from Eccentric Tech. I sign off.